Okay, now, this wiring here, this has been in here a really long time, and I printed out this printout of how you're supposed to wire it up, and I'm going to check because the lights aren't working on this camper, and this is where you plug it in that. So just want to make sure it's all wired up correctly. As you can see, these wires under here are a mess under here. You can see just a mess. We got wires hanging down and everything else. We even have a wire here that's not even hooked up. So I've got to go over these wires and check this stuff. So I'm going to go over it right now. I wanted to show you all something. Okay, I got my left turn signal on. See that one over there blinking? See that one blinking? Now I'll go over here to the other side. I'm going to show you my truck. There's my running lights. Here's and over there. See? Both my running lights. Okay, you know, the reason why is because the people that owned this truck before me, they had the wires, trailer wires, hooked up completely wrong. They had the trailer wires hooked up completely wrong, and now they're right. So I fixed them up right. The backup lights for reverse, I don't know how to hook those up for the truck camper, but someone asked me to see my truck, so I'm going to do a video of it. So I just wanted to show it to you. It's 89 GMC pickup. There's my camper. I've got the hood up right now because that's the battery from the Trailblazer. And there's my generator box. I need to adjust it a little bit. See? And these lights up here work too. See them? The lights up there at the top, those are my running lights. They're working too. And I got running lights up here too. You see my top running lights? Now this headache bar, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to get rid of that. I don't need it. But all my running lights are working except that one in the middle and the one on the end. So I just wanted to show it to you. This is it. They had the lights running wrong. So hooked up wrong. See, I don't have tape on them right now, electrical tape. I've just labeled them, you see, so I can know exactly which one goes where. See? And that trailer, I don't use that one. I got them all labeled according to this printout I made. You see, I made this printout. And this is a diagram showing you how to wire up your trailer hitch. And so I went on eBay and bought this thing here. And yeah, before my lights didn't work, you know. And I got this hooked up, and this is how you hook the truck camper up, just like a trailer. Before, the turn signal on the right side, passenger side on the truck. Okay, here's my lights at night. Got my lights going. I think they're pretty. They're really pretty at night. I want to add more lights to it. Extra. See my lights now. See, that's the way it's supposed to look. See, I've got a couple of burned out lights up there at the top. I want to show you. In the 12 volt, there's a 12 volt pin in that 6-pin round that I've got. See, I don't have my electric plugged up. Watch this. See? This is running off the truck. This is running off the truck battery. See? My 12-volt system working. I wanted you to see it. In my electric, it doesn't have quite as much juice right now, but that's my pump, my water pump. So your whole 12-volt system runs off of this.